Andrea Donati, Industry Manager Life Science and Food for the company Sefar, based in Switzerland. Sefar is an international company present all over the world and supplying the industry since 195 years with filter solutions and services. Sefar is the sponsor of the VIP meeting room, and this is giving us brand visibility due to the fact that all the main companies are organizing their meeting in this room and our brand is present there. The main Sefar innovation we are working on in the pharmaceutical industry is a digitalisation process that allow the customer or the user to trace back all the details of the filter even after it has been disposed, for example, to create a traceability on their products. This is allowing also us to control the value chain that we have integrated in our production. Sefar is serving the pharmaceutical industry with filters based on polymers. So our challenge is to transform our production into bio-based or recycled polymers to be able to overcome this issue in terms of sustainability. Our personal manager, Arina, made a great job supporting us in navigating through the event and also to solve some small problems that we had in the technical aspects. And she also helped us through a common chat to learn about what's going on time.